I'm going to show you 3 ways to relay emergency location information: the Google Maps online way and the offline way using Magic Earth and Organic Maps. So we're starting with just Google Maps online version on a phone, obviously, just the browser version. And the location I'll be using is Denton, Texas. So let me just zoom in here, and let us just say, now the first thing to note is that note the arrows on these roads. That's actually important to know. You know what, I'll pick a different road here. Yeah, the one up here, because yeah, there we go. Okay, this is important when you see the arrows, because it will tell emergency service, or you tell them, what side of the road you are on. So if I broke down on this side, that is on 380 West University Drive westbound side. If you broke down on this side, that is 380 West University Drive eastbound side. So if I just zoom in real tight to that, and let's just say I broke down right here, I just tap and hold. So what it's doing is that it's giving the address of where I am, but note that right above that is 1444. I'm hoping the camera is focusing on that. Now if I just press and hold that, then I can tell emergency services, where are you? I am on the westbound side of US 380 West University Drive at address 1444 West University, Denton, Texas 76201. Now if I was to do the same thing, we'll just say Magic Earth. Okay, same area, Denton. This is the offline way of doing it. Say you're in an area, you don't have data coverage, so you got to use this. Say, okay, we'll go back up to 380 here, West University. Now if you're lucky, you can actually do the same thing. You still get the arrows. So if I zoom in on that, you can see them right there. This is westbound side, and I know one of these shows an arrow somewhere on here. Oh, there we go. Yeah. So here we go on the eastbound side. Now again, if let's just say I was on the westbound side, now if you're lucky, you can get an address right here and do the same thing just by pressing and holding. Say, okay, where are you? 808 West University Drive, Denton. If not, the alternative is to actually use the intersection. So you notice there's Alice Street right here. If I broke down, like, let's just say right here. Now it's giving me the name of the road, but to relay to emergency services, you can say, I'm near the intersection of Alice Street and West University Drive, or Alice Street and US 380. That's another way to say it. Now essentially with Organic Maps, you do the same thing. It's OpenStreetMap, just like Magic Earth. So again, if I go to 380, and we'll just say, again, you get the arrows, which is good. So this is westbound, this is eastbound, and let's just say I broke down right here. Okay, West University Drive. Again, if you have a number, if it's there on the map, I can just press and hold and say, okay, I'm at 1725 West University Drive. Doesn't say the town, but it says, you know, Denton, whatever. Again, if you don't have that information, I can go right over here, and let me see what this road is. Malone. Okay, so I can say I am at near the intersection of West University Drive and Malone Street. And again, if there is a number, you make sure to press and hold on that. So anyway, that's it. You got 3 ways. I did the Google Map version, I did the Magic Earth version, and the Organic Maps version. You should try the data version first if you have it, but if it doesn't work, that is a reason, believe me, that you should have some means of offline navigation, either Magic Earth or Organic Maps with OpenStreetMap, both work very well.